In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create Spider-Man animations in Blender. We'll start by preparing the character. Head to a trusted 3D marketplace and grab a free Spider-Man model. Make sure it's in a clean T-pose so the rigging works reliably. Export it as an FBX and enable embed textures so everything comes into Blender correctly. Next, upload the FBX to Mixamo to auto-rig the character. Browse motion capture options like running, jumping, and dramatic superhero moves, then download the ones you like. In Blender, install the Mixamo add-on, import your animation, and use the add-on to generate a dedicated control rig. This gives you intuitive handles for posing and cleanup. If you want to add more moves later, download the additional Mixamo FBX without skin, import just the armature, and apply that animation to your existing rig so you can blend or switch actions. Now build a simple rooftop. Block out a flat surface with a few raised edges and assign concrete textures for instant realism. To dress it up, bring in free rooftop assets like pipes, AC units, electrical boxes, and antennas. Scatter, rotate, and scale them for variety, keeping your composition focused where the character will land or move. For the night city, you can model quick building shapes from cubes, add a slightly glossy shader, and place image textures of windows to create depth. For a faster route, use free city photogrammetry scans. Duplicate, rotate, and offset them to make a unique skyline. To get glowing windows, mix an emission shader with a diffuse shader and control the blend using a color ramp, so only the brightest parts of your texture emit light. Place a few higher detail skyscrapers near the character, use city photos for the distant horizon, and add a large cube with subtle volumetric fog to layer the scene with atmospheric depth. Create the night sky by cutting a sphere in half and using a scaled noise texture plugged into an emission shader for stars. Add a gentle gradient for a hazy horizon and place an emissive moon texture to finish the look. Set your camera, frame Spider-Man, and animate the camera move. For natural handheld energy, use Ian Hubert's Camera Shake add-on. Light the scene with focus point lights, a crisp rim light to outline the silhouette, and a cool moonlight to unify the palette. Finally, choose your render engine, set resolution and frame rate, then render. Combine multiple animation clips if needed in your editor. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.